I love food. Grabe. Sarap kumain. Yeah.
Ang OA ng chicken thigh with skin, napakamahal. $10.
And yung kanya. Friday, I'm home for my lunch break. Wait lang, ang dami kong hawak. So, kain lang ako ng lunch. Pauwi na ako ng... Wala, dito na ako sa bahay. It's actually a week. And this week, wala kaming pasok ng Monday. Anyway, samahan niyo kami mag-grocery mamaya kasi kailangan natin mag-grocery ng extra dahil long weekend. Bawal kami magutom. Dahil kami ay Team Peach. Si Mike nasa meeting. So, hindi natin siya pwede istorbohin. Gutom na ako. Silipin natin yung asawa ko. Mamaya na natin siya.
Getting crazy lately, I'm in hazy. Oh, and I've been praying someone will come and save me. The birds are flying south, I'm frozen in the tower. Got no way to go from here, so I'll stick around. Just for a moment, I can't put this down. Baby, just for a moment, drown these voices out. Slow burn, mind is a world away. And I'm not gonna come back for anyone else. And I don't wanna come down and be by myself.
This will be my dessert later. I made this last night. Actually, this is the second batch na. I made the first batch 3 days ago. Siyempre nagustuhan ko. Tsaka marami akong stock ng overripe bananas. So, siyempre, pagka nasa Team PG ka, dapat lagi kang may stock ng pagkain kasi bawal magutom.
That was clever, now I'm feeling better. Even though I know that this feeling will last forever. I tapped into a space.
Itong food ko, ito pa yung meal prep ko last Sunday. And ano na to, I think this is the last one. Wala na akong natitira. Kaya nakakasad. Hindi, Friday na naman. So, time to buy some groceries. Tapos, luto, meal prep for the week. Anyway, kakain na ako. I only have 23 minutes to go bago ako bumalik sa office. Si Mike nag-lunch na kasi meron nga siyang meeting ngayon. So, ako lang mag-isa kakain.
Anytime I want, just for a moment, I can't put this down. Just for a moment, drown these voices out. Yeah, slow.
After lunch, hindi pwede. Wala akong dessert. So, magda-dessert tayo. Hindi yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Iba. Nag-bake ako yung same night na yon ng banana muffins. Yan siya. Ano to? This is my healthier version of banana muffins. Sabi ko sa inyo, yung dami kong stock ng overripe bananas. I-microwave lang natin siya ng saglit. Yung akin, di ko dinamihan ng chocolate chips. Pero yung kay Mike, ito yung kay Mike. Ayan yung kanya. Bago ko binake, dinamihan ko ng toppings na chocolates. Kasi, hindi ito masyadong matamis. Oh my gosh. Tignan niyo yung difference nung akin. Ito yung akin. Hindi masyadong madami yung chocolate sa iba. Sobrang soft nito. I love food. Grabe. Sarap kumain. Ito siya. Yan. Sobrang lambot. Tapos, syempre, microwave ko pa ng konti, kaya mas lalong lumambot. Every after lunch ko, usually ang dessert ko is yogurt, kaya lang naubusan na ako ng yogurt. So, okay lang. Pabalik na ako sa work. I only have, wait, kung makita yung time. I only have 6 minutes left. Si Mike, nasa meeting pa rin. Hindi mo lang kami mag-abot. Done na kumain, back to work. Eto, tapos na yung meeting, pero paalis na ako. So, mamaya na lang ulit. See you in a bit. Bye! Just got home, done with work, and happy long weekend!
Ba't may kasamang ganun-ganun ako? May kasamang ganun-ganun ako.
Kasi masaya ako dahil long weekend. Siyempre, I have time with you again. Parang di ka naman masaya.
Kasi dami kong gagawin noong weekend. So sad.
Di pwede.
I have to work a bit.
Kanina naman.
Hindi, pag busy ka naman,
Hindi, pag nagluluto ako.
work ako.
Pagtapos ko nang magluto, pagtapos na ako, tapos ka na din dapat mo. Anyhow, pupunta na kami ng grocery. Bili kami ng food. Pag-stock up kami kasi bawal magutom lang weekend. Char.
Samahan nyo kami, mag-groceries na lang kami. Tapos kung gaano kalaki yung nagagastos namin sa groceries at kung ano-ano ang mga pinagbibili nito every week sa groceries. Okay lang, siya yung nagbabayad.
Exactly. I have the right to buy whatever I want kasi ako naman nagbabayad.
Correct. Correct.
May
Agree,
point? May point?
agree.
Okay. Agree?
100%.
100%.
Yeah, you're right, you're right.
Anyway, let's go. Lamig.
Been waking up feeling low. You're on my mind like all of the time, but you're so despicable. Been seeing what you've been sharing online, and I miss you.
Sourdough sa amin sa bahay. Hindi pwedeng walang sourdough. Sa Melbourne dati, walang ganitong automatic cutter. Well, sa branch lang kung saan kami nag-grocery. Pero sa ibang branch, may ganito talaga. Sobrang convenient kaya na may cutter. Imagine dati, minamano-mano ko tong ikat. Bumili pa tayo bread type. Ang nagpapamahal ng groceries namin, meat. Kasi sobrang daming meat. Wala lang chicken. Ayan, chicken meats. Ito yung ginagamit ko for the sausage sa breakfast. Hindi ako bumibili ng ready-made sausage. Mas ginagamit ko yung mince para less chemicals. Tapos, doon na tayo. Okay na ako dito. Pork pala para sa kailangan natin ng pork mince.
Para saan?
Ito para sa bulash ko to.
May recipe.
Ayan, meron nga. Summer sunset. So, gagawa ako ng homemade burger sa weekend. Well, tomorrow, kasi nakikrave ako sa burger. Tapos meron kaming chips parati sa bahay. Ito yung binibili namin parati, grilled. Meron silang meat na binibenta sa supermarket. So, bumili ako. Tapos, gagayahin natin sa bahay. Chicken breast, syempre. Yun yung parati kong meat. Ang OA ng chicken thigh with skin, napakamahal. $10. Nabibili pa lang namin, meat pa lang. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kadami, okay? Chicken ko. Diba? Ito para sa aming dalawa. Tapos ito, meat ko to. Beef ko yan. Pork para sa kanya. Chicken para sa...
Pero ang tanong, mauubos mo lahat ito in 1 week? Hindi naman, di ba?
Usually lagpas mga 1.5. Hindi saktong 1 week.
Isa sa mga nagpapahal-mahal ng grocery namin.
Ito, itong protein bar na. Yan na kasi yung pinaka-dessert ko. Na-addict din siya, nagustuhan niya.
Natry siya nito, hindi masarap. Sabi niya, abusin mo na. Ayos din.
Pag hindi masyadong masarap, siya yung kakain. Pag masarap, ako yung kakain. Huwag na ayoko na mag-try. Yogurt, hindi pwedeng mawala kasi dessert ko to. Favorite niya to, laksa. Well, mahilig kami sa laksa pero ako nagbawas na.
This, but all I know is this ain't it. Bitch, don't bother me. You aren't worth the energy. I may not know what love is, but all I know is this ain't it. Like where I'm headed now. Gave me some space, I'm finding my pace. Then I spot you in a crowd. Almost didn't recognize your face, and I knew the day would come. I'd see you out, but a girl can hope and pray that you'll just go away. If you stay on your side of town, no, I don't wanna see you around. on your side of town. We might be cool someday, but not right now. Oh, bitch, don't bother me. Done with your negativity. I may not know what love is, but all I know is this ain't it. Bitch, don't bother me. You aren't worth the energy. I may not know what love is, but all I know is this ain't it. I may not know what love is, but all I know is this.
Gutom na ako.
Baling tayo.
Sobrang nilalabanan ko yung urge na kumain sa labas. Kasi ang dami natin pang food sa bahay.
Wala naman tayong maisip na food na kainin eh. Actually, madaming,
Pero gutom na talaga ako.
meron ako mga discounts dyan no, sa
I'm so
Inotica.
hungry. Lang yung food ko sa bahay. Kasi ikaw may adobs ka pa. So okay na yun.
Oo,
Kaya ko
masarap.
to. Konting piece lang.
Masarap yung adobs,
Makakauwi na tayo.
in fairness.
Be going out every night under the light and trying out brand new trends with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late.
Ligpit
I
time.
never stay.
Oo, talaga
The beauty of
Ikaw na lang
settling
kaya
down with the
magligpit.
one you